Oh, okay, Doc Brown, what's up? What's happening? Marty, new script version, new character, you know what to do. Team needs info in 3 minutes. Your future depends on it. Literally. Literally. Doc, are you kidding me? That's a bomb. I mean, all right, I guess mission accepted. Let's get started. We go to the script area of Yamdu, our all-in-one production management hub, and we import the screenplay that Doc Brown has just uploaded in the files and documents area. Oh, there is a little thing I need to adjust here for the scenes, and the sets are all right. And we do have a new character, Lila, right? So the next thing is, after importing the script, we need to cast our character, Lila. We need to suggest an actress. And then I want to have Meryl Sweet, and she is in our company database. That's great because I can import all the data directly. So here for Meryl's details, I do have her agency. I have Don Winslow as an agent, but I do need to add an off period I just learned about. So it's the 29th. She won't be available there due to a reshoot of another project. So let's save this. But we need to send her and her agent the script, right? So we add this here. The agent is already there. We want to add it from the files and documents section. And then, of course, we want to add customized watermarks. So I hit send, and I see that was successful, has been delivered, and we also have the watermarks here. But I also need to redo the shooting schedule, right? So that's a bigger thing here, because you see I have like red flags because I have those off periods, right, for 10 Meryl Sweet. So I need to move things around a bit here. Oh, wow, that's going to be tight. That's done, saved, and you see all the departments like costume get their date of days and when Meryl is actually needed. But we also need to redo the call sheet. Now, Meryl has automatically been added to that shooting day, but the pickup time, that needs to be adjusted to 10:30. Let's check the individual call times for all my crew members. That's fine. And also hit distribute. So it opens the distribution center. You see it flags all the team members that have individual call times, and it has already added for me Meryl Sweet and her agent. All the text here will be pre-populated, and then we can also add an individual message, and I want to personalize it with the first name being automated. Saves me even more time, and I hit send. And let's just check, confirm, and then open the sending report and check if Meryl actually got it. Yeah, it got delivered. Great. What? Okay, yeah, sure, I do have time to check Richard's time cards right now. All right, okay, that's fine. All the times start and okay, let's confirm this weekly time card. Done. Speaking of payroll and labor costs, we want to add Meryl Sweet to our budget. And let's just say she gets $10,000. And with Yamdu Dynamic Globals, you see here I already have her 3 shooting days in total. I just need to add my fringes, and it's all added. And as we still have time, let's also add her to the end crawl credit list. So we import her from the cast list, and we added Lila and Meryl Sweet, and we are done just in time. Doc Brown, aren't you proud? Doc, what? Always remember, she works hard for the money.